Hello. So you asked for help in deploying in what do you say, PebbleHost. So as of now, the bot is deployed and it's working properly. I did a very small in our Prisma ORM because PebbleHost is giving us free SQL instance, right? So it's safe to say that we can just use that instance instead of using a Postgres one, which your Prisma code originally did. So let me open up what do you say, my Z, and I'll show you what changes has to be done or what changes I did, right? So yeah, let me switch. If you can see, let me open PebbleHost. Yeah. So first of all, as soon as I came inside PebbleHost, what I did is that just open your files locally. I just copied everything here. For example, let me just do a readme. For example, I just drag and drop. Yes, I can drag. Yeah. For example, I just drag whatever the file you want. So I dragged all the necessary files, right? Once this is done, you can see it's just added just now and all. Simple as that. Then, what I did is that first one, I have come to env. I updated this env, whatever we have. If you don't have it locally, you update this env. So you'll be having your own bot token. You can go to discord.com.app. Uh, I think it's, yes, developers applications. So you can come here, click on new application and click create. Once you click create, you can go to the you'll have the screen, right? You have to go to bot, which is what do you say, 1 2 3 4, the four tab in the side. You have to go inside which says bot and you click on it. Once you click, once you come here, you have to give few permissions to the bot, right? So you have to give three intents, which is present, server members, and message content. You don't need to give the presence intent, but I've just given it, and I would recommend you also do it just in case your developer thought thinks of expanding it in the future, right? And then apart from once you have done this, you would require to click on reset token and do it. You have to give your authentication if you have it already, else not, just leave it. I'm not gonna do it because once you get the token, it will be, once you do this, your token will be visible here. As soon as you get the token, what you have to do, you come back to your PebbleHost, you come back to the env file and update this with your token. Once this is done, to get the client ID and guild ID, you can go back to general information, click on it, and you have this called application ID. So you can copy your application ID, come back and replace it. And for what you need to do for Discord guild ID is that you come to your Discord. First, if you have developer mode enabled, if not enabled, enable it. Let me try to fire where it is. Okay, I am still. So I would just recommend you enable developer mode in Discord. Once you have enabled the developer mode, once you click on, you have to right click on the server you want. As soon as you right click, the last option here is copy server ID, right? So you copy the server ID, come back and update it here. Once you have done, you have remaining fields here. To get these fields, what you can do, open PebbleHost in new tab, just drag it. You don't need to do actually, I'll just show you just in case. You can drag it, come to MySQL database, and if you see, you have all the information here related to the database. Once you have it, you can uh, paste it and replace here. Once this is done, save the file and come back. and I would require you to go to package.json file. Once this is done, you have just what is src.index.ts. I would also add a pre-script to install it just for once, because when you have the uh, because as soon as the bot starts, it installs all the dependencies once, not every time, and then starts the bot. This is the example. See, the second time we start, it says already up to date and skips the most of the things. So you can pause the video in the script, or else let me just go again. If in case in future, if in future you want to do, you can pause the video here and see what I've done here for the start command. If you're following through and you have done all of this correctly, then you would need to go to bot settings and update your bot start file. It will be index.js initially. You have to update your start file to src index.ts. Once this has been done, uh, you would also require to go to node.js. Originally, it was Node 23. As of now, our Discord configuration or what our packages support a lot in 22.13.1, which is also an LTS. So I have shifted to 22 right now, and you click save. Once you have done all of this, most of the things are done. You can optionally, let this load. Okay. You can optionally have backups if you ever need it. But yeah, you and yes, that's all. If you want to test the bot, you can open Discord. I'll go to my server, and maybe where can I do it? Maybe commands, and I do ping, and there you go. You have the bot up and running. You can see it here, and yeah, that's all. Um, if you have any more questions, do let me know, and I would be happy to help you out. What do you say with this? Or if you want to learn more, yes, feel free to contact me. Thank you, and bye bye.